prepare for the Michigan Contractors exam, consider these key areas. Firstly, business management, which includes estimating and bidding, contract law and negotiation, project management, business planning and finance, and marketing and sales. A strong understanding of these principles is essential for running a successful construction business. Estimating and bidding involves accurately calculating project costs, including labor, materials, and overhead, to submit competitive bids. Familiarize yourself with different bidding strategies and techniques for cost analysis. Contract law and negotiation are crucial for creating legally sound agreements with clients and subcontractors. Study the elements of a contract, common contract clauses, and negotiation strategies to protect your business interests. Project management involves planning, organizing, and executing construction projects efficiently and effectively. Learn about project scheduling techniques, resource allocation, and risk management. Business planning and finance are essential for managing your company's finances and ensuring its long-term sustainability. Develop a business plan, understand financial statements, and learn about financing options for construction businesses. Marketing and sales are important for attracting new clients and growing your business. Explore different marketing strategies, such as online marketing, networking, and advertising. Secondly, construction fundamentals encompass building codes and permits, structural systems, roofing, siding and windows, mechanical systems, and site preparation and excavation. A solid understanding of these fundamentals is crucial for ensuring the safety and quality of your construction projects. Building codes and permits establish the minimum standards for construction and ensure compliance with local regulations. Study the Michigan Building Code and the permit process in your area. Structural systems involve the design and construction of the load-bearing elements of a building. Familiarize yourself with different structural systems such as wood framing, steel framing, and concrete construction. Roofing, siding, and windows protect the building from the elements and contribute to its energy efficiency. Learn about different types of roofing materials, siding materials, and window designs. Mechanical systems, including heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems, provide essential services to the building occupant. Understand the basic principles of each system and their installation requirements. Site preparation and excavation involve preparing the building site for construction. Learn about soil types, excavation techniques, and erosion control measures. Thirdly, specific trade knowledge. The specifics depend on the trade. The trade knowledge includes electrical systems, plumbing systems, HVAC systems, masonry, carpentry, roofing, and insulation. Focus your studies on the specific trade or trades for which you are seeking licensure. Electrical systems involve the installation and maintenance of electrical wiring, fixtures, and equipment. Study the National Electrical Code or NEC and the electrical codes in Michigan. Plumbing systems involve the installation and maintenance of water supply, drainage, and waste disposal systems. Learn about plumbing codes and the proper installation techniques. HVAC systems involve the installation and maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Study the principles of HVAC design and the installation requirements. Masonry involves the construction of walls, foundations, and other structures using brick, block, and stone. Learn about different masonry techniques and the properties of masonry materials. Carpentry involves the construction and repair of wood structures. Familiarize yourself with different carpentry techniques and the properties of wood. Roofing involves the installation and repair of roofs. Learn about different roofing materials and the proper installation techniques. Insulation involves the installation of materials to reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Study different types of insulation and their installation requirements. Fourthly, safety and regulations include Occupational Safety and Health Administration or OSHA regulations, Michigan Construction Safety Act, lead poisoning prevention, fire safety, and environmental regulations. Safety is paramount in the construction industry. Familiarize yourself with OSHA regulations and the Michigan Construction Safety Act to ensure a safe work environment. OSHA regulations establish standards for workplace safety and health. Study the OSHA standards that are relevant to the construction industry. The Michigan Construction Safety Act outlines the safety requirements for construction projects in Michigan. Lead poisoning prevention is important, especially in older buildings. Learn about the hazards of lead exposure and the measures to prevent lead poisoning. Fire safety is essential for protecting lives and property. Study fire safety codes and the fire prevention measures. Environmental regulations protect the environment from pollution and ensure sustainable construction practices. Learn about environmental regulations related to construction activities. Fifthly, licensing and laws are the Michigan Contractor Licensing Act, Homeowner Construction Lien Recovery Fund Act, and Michigan Residential Builders Act. Understand the legal framework governing the construction industry in Michigan. The Michigan Contractor Licensing Act establishes the requirements for obtaining a contractor license in Michigan. Study the provisions of this act to ensure compliance. The Homeowner Construction Lien Recovery Fund Act protects homeowners from paying twice for construction work if the contractor fails to pay subcontractors or suppliers. The Michigan Residential Builders Act regulates the licensing of residential builders in Michigan. Study the provisions of this act if you plan to work as a residential builder. For further information, you may look at the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, which is LARA, at Michigan.gov/LARA. The National Association of Home Builders, or NOB, at NOB.org. The Michigan Construction Safety Commission at Michigan's FETA Commission.org. And finally, the Michigan Society of Registered Contractors at MSRC.net.